Okay, so today we are going to see about same profit, loss, cost price, selling price. Okay, some more examples. So first of all, what is cost price? Cost price means you are going to buy something, the price of that particular things. Okay, that particular object. Selling price means if you want to sell some object from you, so that is a selling price, and then profit we know that, loss we know that. Okay, so profit means gained, loss means loss. Okay, so suppose CP is cost price is 500 and then your selling price is 1000, so it's profit or loss? Yeah, definitely this is profit. Okay, so cost price is selling price is larger இருந்தா that is a profit. Okay, selling price is smaller இருந்தா that is loss. Okay, look at that example 11. Complete the following table. So now I am going to introduce one new discount. Okay, so complete the following table. CP. So look at the first row. CP is 110, and then okay. So CP means what? Cost price. MP means what? MP means marked price. So marked price. What does it mean? Okay. So for example, if you go to the shop, there is a one. Okay, some things. Okay, suppose if you want to buy some boost box. Okay, so in that boost box there is a marked price, MRP rate, correct? That is a marked price. Suppose in that boost box the marked price is 150, but the shopkeeper sell that one is 110. Yeah, so that is a cost price, that is a marked price. Okay, so MP means marked price, MRP, that object having a MRP rupees, that is a marked price. Okay, and then CP we know the cost price, SP we know the selling price, and then discount, profit, loss. So okay, so first one what? CP given, MP given, SP we have to find out, discount given, profit, loss we have to find out. Okay, so CP given, MP given. Okay, CP, MP given. So I just write CP is equal to 110, MP is equal to 130, discount is equal to 5. I want to find out SP value, selling price value. So selling price value formula this. Okay, so marked price minus discount, marked price minus discount, you will get SP value. So SP is equal to marked price minus discount. So mark, substitute in the value. So marked price value what? 130. 130 substitute, minus discount value how much? 5. 130 minus 5 you will get 125, that is SP. Okay, and then you have to know that whether SP or CP greater than, whether SP or CP larger. Yeah, SP only larger. SP larger means there is a profit. Okay, SP is larger than CP means there is a profit. SP is smaller than CP means there is a loss. So a profit only we have. So profit, how to find out profit? There is a formula, SP minus CP. So SP value, selling price 125 minus C cost price is 110. Our profit is 15 rupees. Okay, and then second one. Look at the what are the given. CP given, MP given, SP we have to find out, discount given, and then profit or loss we have to find out. So first of all, what I'm doing, I'm going to write what are the data given in the question. Okay, I just CP value, MP value, discount value, and then I have to find out SP value, selling price value. How to find out SP? MP minus discount, MP minus discount. So MP value what? MP value 130 minus discount value at 20. 130 minus 20 how much? 110. So SP value find out பண்ணியாச்சு. After that I have to find out profit or loss, whether SP is greater than or SP is larger than or smaller than CP. Check it. CP 110, SP also 110, so it is equal to which means if we get the SP CP equal means there is a no profit, there is a no loss. Okay, so SP is larger than CP means there is a profit. SP is smaller than CP means there is a loss. But suppose the SP and the CP equals means there is no profit or no loss. Okay, third one, just to try it. CP, MP given, SP discount only given, and then profit given. Profit given. So I just write down all the given data. MP given, discount given, okay, and then I have to find out. So if you have MP and discount, you can find out SP value. Okay, so if you have MP and discount value, you can find out SP value easily. So SP is equal to, what is the formula? MP minus discount. MP value how much? 130 minus discount value how much? 15. 130 minus 15 is equal to 115. So SP value we have just to find out, and then profit already given in the question 30. So what I'm going to do, we have to find out CP value. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. This is a formula. Substitute profit how much? 30. SP how much? We just found out 115 minus CP. And then after cancel all the term, you will get 115 minus 30. You will get 85. That is your 80 CP. Okay, so similarly that fourth, fifth, sixth term you can do it your own. Okay.